And so we're going to use a digital scale to make sure it's accurate. I'm going to start with the lowest effective dose, which I believe is around 5 milligrams. So this is about 12 milligram scoop, and we'll find out how it is right now. So this weighs at about 10 grams. So we just need to add enough to make 5 milligrams. There we go, that's exactly 5 there. So right now it's at 10.02, and before it was at 9.008. So that's about 4, 5-ish. I don't know how accurate this scale is, but that's my best guess. So that's how you weigh it, and then this is something you just take. So I'm going to take this and scoop it onto here with my handy dandy this looking tool. So I can take this off and scoop this onto here. And now Noopept is something that works sublingually. Well, Noopept is very interesting because it increases BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, and NGF, nerve growth factor, in the brain, and more specifically the hippocampus. So that increases memory. Most people report that they get better sense of visuals, hearing, a little bit of euphoria if possible, flashbacks to old memories they thought they forgot. So it's kind of interesting. Well, thanks guys for watching, and stay beautiful.